In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Slack QR Code 2026 step-by-step beginner tutorial. If you want to set up Slack on your phone fast, the QR code is the easiest way to do it. You'll scan a code from your computer, and your phone will jump straight to the official Slack app with the right workspace ready to go. Before we start, make sure you're already signed in to Slack on your computer, either in the desktop app or in your web browser. First, head to your Slack home screen. That's the main view where you see your channels on the left and your messages in the center. If you're not there yet, open Slack and sign in so you land on that home area. This ensures Slack can generate the correct QR code for your current workspace. Next, look to the top left corner of Slack. You'll see your workspace name or logo at the very top of the sidebar. Click that. This opens a workspace menu with options related to your account and settings for this specific workspace. If you have more than one workspace, double-check you're clicking the name of the workspace you actually want to use on mobile. In the menu that appears, choose Get the Mobile app. Slack will open a panel or a new window that displays a QR code. This is the code you'll scan with your phone. Keep the window visible and make sure the code is fully on screen. Increasing your screen brightness and enlarging the window can help your camera pick it up more quickly. Now, grab your phone and open the camera. Point it at the QR code, hold steady, and wait for the camera to recognize it. Most modern phones will show a small banner or link you can tap. That will take you to the official Slack app in your App Store. Or, if you already have Slack installed, it may open the app directly and walk you through connecting to the same workspace you have open on your computer. Follow the on-screen prompts to finish. If your camera doesn't recognize the code, try moving a bit closer, adjusting focus, or using your phone's built-in QR scanner from Control Center or Quick Settings. A couple of quick tips. If you don't see the Get the Mobile app option, maximize the Slack window and try again, or update Slack to the latest version. If the QR code doesn't load, refresh the page or reopen the menu. And remember, treat the QR code like a private sign-in shortcut. Don't share screenshots of it. That's it. You've opened Slack, clicked your workspace name, selected Get the Mobile app, and used the QR code to set up Slack on your phone quickly.